It's the typical plastic chair, and of course it's very hard, so it's not comfortable at all, and seating posture is not good at all. Let me show you what I mean. Yeah, this is how I have to sit, and sometimes when I have to reach, I sit like this, and it's not comfortable at all. And since it's not soft, it starts hurting after a long time. And these hand rests, well, yeah, your hand just falls off. So yeah, not good at all. So to solve the softness issue, my mom made me a DIY cushion for this chair. That it's not bad, it's comfortable, but seating posture is still garbage. So yeah, I think I need to upgrade. Also, I use this chair for both editing, browsing, anything over here, and studying and stuff on this table. So that means I have to constantly move this chair from here to there and back here over and over again. So I need an upgrade. If you guys didn't understand, this is a box from IKEA. It is the Markus Chair. It's office chair, but I think it's suitable for gaming, office, editing. And after unscrewing and rescrewing everything, we finally did it. And by the way, this is what you get to, fix this entire thing. Plus there are 9 steps to the manual. Oh wait, no, 10, 11. Yeah, 11 steps to the manual. Very confusing. Make sure you don't get confused with the small screws, the small and big one. And plus don't tighten it too much. So now let's actually review it. By the way, this took me 20 minutes. And I really like how I can do it. Okay. Anyways, as you can see over here, back support. Okay, now I got my cameraman, so now I don't need to check over and over again. She's right there. Okay, so as I said, back support over here. Okay, now I gave some tips to my cameraman, so now she actually knows how to use her camera. So as you can see here, lumbar support, this thing, and of course this height adjustable. So if I think I'm pressing the right thing, there you go. Okay, it's the one on the right. Yeah, there is a lock function. So that means, wait, is that lock? What is the lock function though? And this side, I don't know what that side does. Why is there no? Oh. Can I adjust anything else? I don't think I can adjust anything else. Okay, I figured it out. This is lock, so that means you can't, go like that. So if you're gaming or something, it's not that comfortable. So what you can do is you can do that, and then it is kind of hard, but I think you just. So yeah, if I just go too hard, too low. It's like the lowest you can go. Okay, this is the lowest you can go. It's fine. Yeah, just a YouTube video by the way. if you're gaming, you can kind of see how this is good. It's not that comfortable yet. Ouch. I think I tightened the screws a bit too much. Let me just real quick loosen them. Okay, so IKEA did tell me to make it a bit loose. I thought that was enough, but no, it's not enough. So let me just make it looser. So there are some screws over here. You can make loose. Make them loose. I'm missing that thing. Then just the strength of this. Yeah. I think it needs to be a bit more loose. Where did I put it? Oh, there. Okay, after putting about half a centimeter loose, so this thing's it. Stop shining the light in my eyes. Out. Yes, this. I said stop shining the light in my eyes. Yes, after loosening it about half centimeter, so now the screw and the base like a half centimeter gap. That should be enough. Hoping. Yeah, that is enough. Okay, so listen to it, okay? Other than that, the armrests are not adjustable, so you cannot do that. But it's not bad. Goodbye. If you didn't notice, this is breathable mesh, so that means you won't sweat that much. So you won't sweat that much in long gaming, hours.